This is question 39. We're getting real close to the end of a 45 question test. This is 022 for the ETS Practice Test. You're given a series of events, and so let's just make kind of a timeline here. It says B happened after. If this is before, and this is after, okay? So, event B happened after event A. So if here's A, B happened after event A, but before C. So C's over here. The elapsed time between A and C, so from here to here, that entire period of time, it says is 10 to the 9th seconds. And the elapsed time between B and C is 10 to the 3rd seconds. It wants to know in this situation what then is this right in here from A to B. Now I'm going to tell you that when you are working with exponents, you're using exponent rules, okay? And you have to remember that, let me just say this before I go into this speech. I know that 10 to the 9th minus 10 to the 3rd, okay, is going to be the problem that I have to solve. It's super tempting to want to say that's 10 to the 6th. It is not. This is a 10 with, or a 1 with 9 zeros after it. That's a billion. Okay? Minus, so a billion seconds passed, minus a 1 with 3 zeros after it, minus 1,000. That's not going to be 10 to the 6th, which is a million. Okay? So let's actually, I'm going to tell you that when I'm doing these, subtraction, addition and subtraction, there are no exponent rules for that. Okay? So I'm going to go like this, 10 to the power of 9 minus 10 to the power of 3 equals that. Okay? So, if you look at this, 999, 999, and so on, it wants to know which one is this closer to. Well, if I had $999 million, I probably would tell people I got real close to $1 billion. Okay? And $1 billion is 10 to the 9th. So, believe it or not, 10 to the 9th minus 10 to the 3rd is closer to 10 to the 9th than any of those other three numbers. And that is it. Just don't make assumptions. Put them in your calculator, double check.